That's what they did to Jesus, man. They waited for him to die and they can't. That's how it goes.
When I am you didn't love me. You didn't say, Mommy, I love you. Now, I'm away from you. I'm in the Philippines. You tell me I love you. Ano ba? Si Duday, oh. Oh, si Duday na naman.
Guys.
Duday. You're finished now? Huh?
Hey, Duday, what's the butter here?
Oh, ilagay mo. Oh, okay.
Wow, what is that? That's something to drink out of? Oh!
Water bottle.
Fish bowl to drink out of.
Nice.
Nice. Strong.
It's just a water. I feel money.
Yeah. Oh, nice, Duday. Very nice. Pink and all.
What's your dinner? Did you put dinner?
Oh, man. I gotta cook. She wants fried chicken and mashed potatoes.
Okay, that's good.
What about you?
There's fish in the...
Got a blue one, too. Huh?
That's Ion. Blue.
That's Eon.
Yeah, Ion butter bottle.
Was on sale or something?
There's a paksiw. Bangus. I eat the half in the lunch. I eat the half in the dinner.
In this.
Oh, ano na ba? Parang ka mag...
Yeah, two of them, huh?
No, you are showing all here. You are showing all here, huh?
Because I do.
Oh.
My Billy Mommy's sister.
She said hi, her sister.
Okay.
Because you know not. Because I want to battle.
O, diba? Why are you whispering there? Ah. What? It's what kind of whisper that one? That is a story na. I hear it.
That's funny.
What is that?
He's talking about when she was there with Aki and...
What's this?
No,
it's not. Aki said, you are annoying. You're not mother.
She's a little kid. Very nice.
You're a little kid, but...
What? She's a little kid, but...
Oh, here it's night time na. There is still have sun. Ano ba yan? Oh, ano, helicopter.
Oh, helicopter.
Oh, helicopter daw. Oh. Walang baterya.
Wala battery.
No battery.
Sabi Mami, pili battery.
Okay, bali ito. Wag na ngayon, gabi na.
Show your rabbit.
Oh, still have ano. Here is ano na. Last 7:19 here.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, it's late there. Yeah, it's still 6 o'clock here. Wow.
Ano? Don't broke that one. You don't broke.
Okay.
Hindi yun.
I fix it.
I will lay down.
I fix it.
You fix it?
It's Aki.
Oh. Nice. I don't like that. I thought you wanted to talk to your mother. You told them that you love her.
Sabi mo nukul mo ko.
Said she missed you.
No. You have a lot of chewing.
Because I want store.
You always use something. And then later, always you see, you did
Store.
scattered na
Yeah,
yours.
nice.
It says store.
Starfish.
Yeah, it's called a store. That's store.
What is yours?
No.
You have a baby carriage.
No, don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Sige na, bye na. Good night.
Bye-bye.
I love you too. I miss you very much. I miss
I
you.
love you, Rocky and Mommy.
Okay. Love you too. Say.
I love you.
Too. I love you too. You said.
We love you. Love you.
Oh, si Duday na aking baby. Oh, si Duday na may baby.
Oh, now you have a new baby. Huh?
Ayan ba yung baby? Si Duday na.
I got the best baby right here.
Because
Oh, my Duday. You have to eat because Duday is eating good. You have to eat, okay? So that you become like Duday.
what?
Dude's not gonna get skinny when she gets full.
Sige na, bye-bye na.
Bye.
You can have, prepare your daddy dinner.
Uh-oh.
Yes. All right. See you better.
Love you both. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Sure, you never told me that when you was here.
Yeah. I see already. I see that to her.
Said no to
But
her.
she don't. Oh yeah.
But you never said to me.
I told you already, but you did. You said really. You see that? Don't tell a lie.
We'll see. Oh.
Mm.
I love you.
O sige na, may memory. Okay, bye-bye na. I love you.
Bye from Thailand.
From Philippines. Love you.
Miss you.